Hello everyone, welcome to watch the video. This video about IT network automation. The automation about network device configuration collecting. I'm network engineer and I'm CCIE in routing switch and fire and wireless. And in the past few projects, I developed a series of the network automation skills, and I would like to share the skill with you and share the automation code with you. Hopefully, it can be helpful to your work. My view the video here is most suitable for the people working in IT network. Hopefully you can take reference my code and just in your work. Okay, let's start. This video is about network automation, the automation about network device configuration and information collect. This is the topology. Okay, this topology, there are some network devices. Here is a router, then there is a configuration in the router, and we traditionally to get the information we go to we telnet the configuration the network. Okay, the network device. We go to the network device and we use show. Sorry. We use show command, different show command, get the information. We use the show command to get the information, and then we copy the information. But this is a code getting the configuration manually. If there are a lot of devices, thousands of devices, if we collect the information, what's up? Okay, because it's not the real network topology is stimulating one. There is let's say the memory is not enough. It's not about our topic now. We continue. Yeah, and we just do the automation of collecting the network device configuration. This is a code. Status show, and there are two files coming with the code. These two files are associated with the code, and before running the code, we have to prepare these two code. One is the command text, the other is index command. Index text. In the command text, we just write which show command we want to use. We can use show IP root, show IP OSPF neighbor, or anything. The commands for router, switch, and firewall. Any command you add the command, and the automation code will execute the show command as you set in this command text. And this is an index. This is say it's about which network devices you want to collect information from, collect the configuration information from. And this is the address of the device you want to telnet, and this is the SSH telnet administration name and password. Before running the code, make sure the PC running this code can pin all the network device and can telnet to the device. For example, the telnet we can test with PuTTY or any pin tester tool. Just for example, this address is 14, the device 14, the destination address of 14. We telnet this address. We test. We can do the SS telnet from the PC. Sorry. We do PuTTY. We say okay. We can telnet this network device. For doing the SSH set, for doing the SSH setting in the network device, it is easy. There are lots of videos about doing the SSH setting. Enable SSH on network device. There are lots of videos about it online. So it can do the SSH telnet. So the same to the other two devices we want to collect information from. Uh, 15 okay. R16 should be okay. This device can all be telnetted. Okay, and then we run the code. So this is code. This is a code. The code path. And the code is running with command text and index text. And the result will be written in the device information text. Now it's empty one. So we just we want to get the IP route information and IP OSPF neighbor information. For the device 16, 15, and 14. 16, 15, 15, and 16, and 14. We run the code. This code is written in Python, and we use the Windows PowerShell to run the code. Okay, this one. We already in the file path for the code. We run this one. May take time to log to tell that the network device get the information according to the command text file. Okay, so it takes some time, but it will be much quicker than doing it manually. Okay, now the code finish, and we see the result here. Just the result is written in the device information. It is empty before running the code. Now this is the result. 14. Okay, we got the IP route, lots of things. OSPF neighbor. 15 root. OSPF neighbor. 16 IP route OSPF neighbor as set in the show command text. It just show us according to the show command we want to use. The information is just written in this file. Okay, we do some change. Now we change the command text field and we make it empty again. Okay, we say we don't want IP route. It is too much information. We don't need it. Just need the show command. We just need to show IP OSPF neighbor. Save it. And we for index we don't want 14. We only need 15, 16. Or any change you can make. Just according to your need. Decide which network device you want to visit and which show command you want to use to collect the information. Save. It is empty. And we run the topology and we run the code again. Now the automation just save you time. You can just execute the code and just the computer do the task and you can do something else. We see. Okay, and just get the information for R15 and R16 in just neighborhood. So you look, you can just get just different configuration information for different just get the configuration information for for the devices according to your need. Decide which devices you want to collect information and which show command you want to use. Okay, we go to the code. This is what the code can do. We go to the code. This is the code. It's a simple one. And this code is written by Python. And this is a common one. That's to say, it can be used directly in the network project. Collect the information from network devices according to your need. You can copy this code. I would like to share without you can copy without any modifying, and you can just run the code directly. It can just automatically get the configuration information from the network device. Yeah, I just use Python for this code, for writing this code, and it's based on NetMiko, network automation. And so just install the NetMiko and Python. There are a lot of video about installing NetMiko and Python. You can see the video online. This is my code. Okay. It's a short one, but useful for the configuration collecting. And as I say, you can copy the code and use it directly for collecting network device information. Okay, this is the video about the automation for network device information collecting, and this is a code you can use directly, and yeah, it is quicker, much quicker than doing the information collecting manually, and save you time. And the more devices there are, the more efficient the code will be, comparing with doing the collecting work manually. Okay, this is all about the video. Hope the video is helpful for you, and yeah, thanks for watching the video. See you.